Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I am Shraddhanshi. I am currently pursuing my bachelor's in biomedical science. Today's video is going to be a little different from what I usually put out because I'm finally done with my first year. It was a ride, honestly. So much happened and I learned so much throughout it, and I feel like it's a good time to kind of share a few tips and tricks that I've learned, especially because a lot of people will be applying for colleges right now. As somebody who went through that whole ordeal literally last year, I feel like this video is going to be a good reassurance for people who are overwhelmed about the entire process. I'm really glad to say that I've partnered up with Gyandhan for this video. More on that later. I'm also going to answer questions that I got through my email and my DMs, but if you're planning to study abroad, this video is for you and I hope you guys like it. You know, when you've applied to a college and you have finalized your decision, the first thing you're wondering is, what do I pack? Initially, the first reaction you always have is to literally pack everything into one suitcase, whether it be your utensils or, you know, just everything. I focused on packing my clothes, bringing in more warm clothes because I know that's going to be difficult to, you know, just buy on the spot here. I did most of my shopping here because I can speak for my case, but rate for utensils, stationery, all of those essentials that, you know, a student needs isn't really different here. It's pretty similar to what it is in India, so I won't recommend carrying like 5-6 notebooks and making your suitcase heavy. Even though I do thrift a lot now, I feel like that isn't the first thing you would do when you actually come here and you're trying to settle and you're trying to figure everything out. Now, before I move forward, I want to get into scholarships and financial aid. And for this segment of the video, I've partnered up with Gyandhan. As somebody who went through this entire process literally last year, I remember how overwhelming it was for me. Preparing to study abroad comes with so many documents, papers, there's so much preparation that you have to do, and it's just a very overwhelming process. Now that's where Gyandhan comes in. Gyandhan is India's first education financing marketplace. It's really daunting trying to figure out how to finance your college options. Now what I thought was special about Gyandhan is that they offer specific solutions that are really comprehensive and tailored to your needs. They have partnered with all leading lenders, banks, NBFCs, and even international lenders to bring you the best loan options available. Now the best part for you guys, and I can't stress this enough, is that this entire offer is free. You don't have to pay a single rupee for their counseling and their support. And honestly, the first time I heard about this, I was really shocked because I wish somebody would have told me when I was going through the same process last year. One of the best standout features, according to me, is their loan eligibility AI tool, which basically helps you figure out which banks to apply to according to the colleges you've applied to, which is a very unique feature. I feel like it's less time consuming and it really helps you figure out where you should apply to without wasting time in, you know, going through all that research and just overwhelming yourself in that process. The counseling service also basically offers end-to-end service. That means from turning in all your loan documents through helping you step by step through every process. It's very hands-on. It's extremely helpful if you're very clueless about, you know, how to apply for financial aid options. I feel like it'll just be a very big burden off your shoulders. They even have personalized document checklists which will allow you to stay on track with your document submissions and, you know, have a perfect idea about where you're at in your loan process. As I mentioned, they offer multiple ways to submit these documents, whether it be their convenient WhatsApp channel. Obviously, once you take that step, their team will ensure that your documents go through quickly and often done in half the time that it does to go through a lender. So I can't stress this enough. If you're actually considering of getting, loan options, I would definitely recommend checking out Gyanthan because it doesn't get easier than this. I will put the link in the description box as well as in the pinned comment below so that you guys can go check them out. You're gonna get the best hands-on experience there is, and it's free. Guys, I'm just gonna kind of lay back because I realized I've been yapping for the past 20 minutes and my camera has recorded none of it. Now, another question that I get asked really often is, what's my course like? Just to reiterate what I'm doing, I am currently pursuing my bachelor's in biomedical science and I'm majoring in medical biotechnology. Okay, so basically, it's hectic. Obviously, at least for me with my major, there's a lot of practical work. It's very practical heavy, which is something I enjoy and I'm looking forward to. So if that's something that you like, and I did get a lot of DMs talking about how people are considering coming to Australia for this course, I would definitely recommend it. I feel like it's very important to go through your course map. I did come to college 3 weeks late, but the first thing that I did was go through my unit guide and then book a session with a counselor. Just make the most of everything your university has to offer. But I think it's really important if you're planning to go to a certain country, just kind of read up on their culture and just be a little more hands-on about the experience so that when you come here, it'll help you talk to more people, make new friends, and just be really open to the experience. This is just a very general question, I've tried literally every organizing app there is. It just helps me feel a little sane. I have mentioned this in my previous video, I guess, but I swear by my Notion page and Apple Calendar, but I have multiple sections here, to track my expenses, the meal plan, budgeting. It just helps me with everything and it helps me navigate it very easily and effectively. If you guys do want a very detailed video about it, do let me know in the comments. I would be glad to do one. Honestly, I don't think I would want to be in any other city. It's definitely for the students, just students from all over the world, and you'll never feel like you don't belong. And there's a mix of, like the hustle and bustle of the city, plus you have like the calm and like the peace and the quiet that I really like. Budgeting as a college student is very important, whether you're studying abroad, even in India, if you're away from home. I would recommend tracking your expenses. That's very important. You can kind of like recognize a pattern and where you're spending a lot. Grocery shopping can be expensive if you're not shopping from the right places. So I would definitely recommend, according to where you're at right now, look up places that offer cheap groceries. Studying abroad, if you don't get out of your comfort zone, if you don't try to make friends, can be a very lonely experience. So I would definitely recommend joining clubs. I know this sounds very basic, but as somebody who was kind of ignoring that advice in my first trimester, I would definitely say it works. Make the most of your university experience. Volunteer at any events that you can. Meet people that way. Whenever I feel like, my life is sort of falling apart, I tend to just go on runs or work out or just go on a walk. It just helps me, and I'm really lucky to be surrounded with nature all around me. Secondly, it's journaling. Journaling has helped me through literally every phase in my life. I've always been the kind of person who loves writing things down, and that's where journaling comes into place. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. I tried covering as many points as I could. I know a lot of you guys are applying for colleges right now and are probably really overwhelmed. I hope you guys get into the colleges that you guys are actually planning to and aiming for. Do check out Gyanthan. I will be linking them in the description box and in the pinned comment below. The process is completely free, so there's no harm in trying. Do let me know what your opinion is on this sort of video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, bye.